Oh, let's go.
If you don't make it past this level, you drop back down to the $10,000 mark. Still good money.
Precis, och lite balans katten ändå. Ja.
Why do you have evil ears? You have evil ears and an evil face. Please be nice. Ow! High five. Yay! 小猫。
You're getting a shower now. I'm gonna bathe you. You stink. You don't clean yourself right.
Контеситу покажи.
He's wise, like going down all the way.
Was missing.
Oh my gosh.
Where is my cat? 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 Cat?
Are you comfortable? What are you doing? You weirdo.
Hey. You want food?
I caught her in the fucking act. Mitty, you fucking fatty, get out of here. Oh my god. Go. She did, Shay. Oh, oh my god.
But this is the one that I thought was pregnant or had babies. Oh my god. And, are you? Hey, Steven.
I want to pet. What? Another.
But you can play out. There's an
Raggy! Stop!
Филя. Филя. Он как Гитлер, блядь.
No, you filthy, dirty little bastard. No. You're so evil.
All right. And what kind of experience do you have for this role, sir? Okay. Anything else? Okay.
Wait.
Mesmo.
Do you have any words of wisdom today? Okay. Wow. I am, thank you.
Are you for real? Go away. I'm taking a shit. Go. Go. Leave.
Breve, ma puoi ingressarsi, non ingressa. No, Elena. Ehi, cavallo. Ya. Este lado. Ya, pase.
Baby, you're a chunky cat. You're not gonna be able to fit. Baby, you're a chunky cat. Oh my god.
Some bullshit. What are you looking at?
Oh, DJ บอกกินเนี่ย
Think they're best friends.
Even after you've done all the preclinical work and animal testing to prove
No!
Aquí. Voy a meter la vacuna y su comida.
I have a question for everybody. Who wants to go to the Four Seasons Orlando?
Me. Wow. You can eat your own ass at 8 a.m., but you can't get a job.
Hey, buddy. Hey, bud.
What's up, blue-eyed motherfucker?
Захожу на кухню, а тут сидит это чудо и что-то высматривает. Боня, тебе удобно?
Are you kidding me? What is wrong with you, man? This boy, you're silly. This is your punishment. You're bad.
He caught another snake today. I'm sure of it. That one's alive. Oh my gosh. Oh no. John Wayne.
Somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Somebody come.
You got another week to add drop.
How'd you get in there? How did you get in there? You had, come here, you had to fit through here. Come on, right here. Come on.
Mas é pra... Olha, é bravinho, mãe, mas é fofinho. É, mas que braveza é essa, mamãe? Oh, meu
I don't know enough words to play this game. Do we have to keep going?
Mm-hmm.
But babe, Asteroid only knows one word. This isn't fair.
I really wanted to show you something. This
is not okay. No, shh, go. I don't want those kind of presents. Stop it.
That can go viral, Luke's.
Oh! Oh my god!
I need that. Right.
You!
What you doing out here with all this ass? Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon.
Okay.
Come here. Hey, can you sit? Sit. Good kitty. You got it.
What you doing? Lady, you're so funny.
He is shoes.
Bitch.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Doing? Dude. It's gonna fall in your noggin. What are you doing? Sir. Sir.
Watch this, watch this. Boom, spin. Got him.
What are you doing? Are you my best friend? You're my buddy. You're my pal. Okay. You're my friend? Alright.
При максимальном доходе за 36 месяцев 7 миллионов 700, да, у вас пенсия будет 84. Моя знакомая так и сделала.
It's like beating out a rug.
So my mom's cat. I can't. Hi, Pumpkin. She won't let him off of the porch. He's only allowed to go outside. He's only allowed to go outside and
You're in my pile. You are in my pile. No!
Oh my gosh. Kitty. Snuggle.
Did you get a picture?
Oscar, I have to tell you something. You're adopted. And you don't even care. And that's why you're going to be president of the United States.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
What? Oh!